Latest research and development. 1. MIT engineers create 3D printable aluminum 5 times stronger than conventional alloys. By applying machine learning techniques, engineers at MIT have created a new method for 3D printing metal alloys that produce parts far stronger than those made using traditional manufacturing approaches. 2. A tiny power module could help solve the world's growing energy crisis. The world's energy demand is rising, and NREL's ULIS power module could help meet it. 3. This new 3D chip could shatter the memory wall holding back AI. Stanford, CMU, Penn, MIT, and Skywater Technology reached a major milestone by producing the first monolithic 3D chip manufactured at a US foundry, achieving the highest density of 3D chip wiring to date and delivering speed improvements of an order of magnitude. 4. Scientists found a way to block heat without blocking views. A nearly invisible material made mostly of air could redefine how windows stop heat and save energy. 5. Scientists solve a long-standing solar cell problem, boosting efficiency by nearly 30%. The introduction of a nanometric germanium oxide layer drastically improved device performance and stability. 6. Scientists solve a hidden battery cracking mystery that shortens lifespan and raises fire risk. A new study shows that promising single crystal battery materials degrade for reasons scientists hadn't fully recognized before. 7. Physicists tighten the net around the elusive sterile neutrino. High-precision measurements from the Catron experiment strongly limit the existence of light sterile neutrinos and narrow the search for new physics. 8. Scientists print working electrodes directly on skinward light. A simple burst of visible light can now create skin-safe electrodes that could transform medical and wearable electronics. 9. Stanford scientists discover why mRNA-based COVID-19 vaccines can cause myocarditis. COVID-19, and more rarely the mRNA-based COVID-19 vaccine, can lead to inflammation of heart tissue in some individuals. A new study points to 2 substances released by immune cells as possible drivers of this effect and outlines a potential approach to reduce the vaccine-related risk. 10. This bus-sized predator hunted in dinosaur-era rivers. A fossil discovery that raised questions. Thanks for watching this video.